color. It's like Cedric without the ears. It's a seal Cedric. Oh, I don't know what happened to the eye. This is so creepy.
Escaping.
Oh, now it looks very realistic. He has dark eyes, but there's no ears. It's a seal Cedric. It's Cedric in his little blankie when his ears are not out. This is our Christmas tree. Cedric's Christmas coffee apron. Little Cedric and his beautiful tree. It's all decorated. We're gonna go outside, Cedric? Let's put up the bird feeder. Need to go outside, Cedric, with the coffee. I want to show you our Christmas tree project. Has a decoration now. Doesn't it look great? It's not too overwhelming for it. I loosely attached it so it doesn't hurt it. It looks pretty now, doesn't it, Cedric? Cedric says yes. You wanna go in the garden? Let's go. Gonna get the human express. We don't have snow right now, but the ground is frosty. And the birds are hungry. I have to fill the feeders now. Wait, Cedric, your bird friends are hungry. It's cold today, it's -8. You feeling chilly, little man? No, you're still good. This is for the goldfinches. They're tiny, so they eat from this tiny feeder. And this is for the nuthatches and chickadees. And over here, it's for all kinds of birds. The sunflower seeds. Let's see who's gonna come and eat. Birdies, the food is here. The food is here, birdies. There's no birds right now. There will be soon. This is the hard part. It has a bit of a obstacle course. He's always like very careful. You can do it, Cedric. You can do it. Good job, little man. Hop, hop. Good job. It's cold. Let's go have breakfast.